Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to take a look at Bayo Onanuga, the special advisor to the president on information and strategy, who is challenging Peter Obi to retweet a new development. The latest report by Bloomberg that Naira is now exchanging for 1,550 Naira to the dollar is challenging Peter Obi to retweet it, that this is a good news from Bloomberg, and that Peter Obi should retweet this positive report or positive review from Bloomberg. Of course, it is interesting also that they are citing Bloomberg. Bloomberg is the American news media that they have hired to launder the image of Tinubu in a PR arrangement between the government and Bloomberg to give the Tinubu administration a positive image. So I'm not surprised that Bloomberg has have done part of their job. He has given a positive report that Naira has stabilized at 1,550 Naira to the dollar. That excites Bayo Onanuga so much that he challenged Peter Obi to retweet it to his millions of followers. And this is what Bayo Onanuga wrote. He said the Naira is holding its ground against the greenback and other currencies. This is good news, not bad news. I invite Mr. Peter Obi to retweet the exonerating story. End of quote. President Bola Tinubu is the president of Nigeria and running Nigerian economy. He's not running it for Peter Obi. He's running it for Nigerians. If there is a positive development on the exchange rate, they can share it without personalizing it as a Peter Obi affair. Peter Obi is probably is the least concerned or to be impacted no matter the rate of the Naira to the dollar. That is the truth. Peter Obi will be the least impacted no matter the rate of the Naira to the dollar. So what should concern the Tinubu administration is how is the ordinary Nigerian feeling about the latest report by Bloomberg, not about Peter Obi. In any case, that the Naira stabilized at 1,550 Naira to the dollar is not supposed to be a good news. It's not supposed to be something that we should be celebrating about. It is something that we should be ashamed of as a nation. It is something that we should be ashamed of, that we went from frying pan to fire. When the APC in 2014, the exchange rate of the Naira to the dollar was 184 Naira to the dollar at the official rate, and about 200 Naira at the black market. That was in 2014. In 2022, that's after APC had mismanaged the economy of Nigeria. The Naira was exchanging as 448 Naira to the dollar at the I&E window, the official window, that's through the government, through CBN rate. In the black market, it was 700 to 750 to the dollar. Under President Bola Tinubu, the Naira went to $1 to 2,000 Naira. Now, through trial and error, they have been able to bring it back to 1,550 Naira. Is that worthy of celebration? Is that worthy of mocking their biggest nightmare, Peter Obi? What has that got to do to show that there's an improvement in the lives of Nigerians. This 1,550 naira to the dollar in an import-dependent nation like Nigeria. It would have watched celebration if they could even be able to return it to the era of Jonathan, 2015 rate of Jonathan that they inherited from Jonathan. It would have watched celebration. Perhaps they can have a mild celebration if they were able to bring it back to the level of Buhari, despite the fact that Buhari was part of the disasters that the All Progressive Congress bequeathed this nation. But at least under Buhari, the dollar was exchanging at the rate of 448 naira to the dollar at the official window and 700 to 750 naira at the black market. We have not even gotten close to the Buhari era. So what is it to celebrate that you are telling Peter Obi to retweet? To retweet what? A disastrous economic experiment that has failed. Nigeria used to be the biggest economy in Africa until APC now took Nigeria down. Nigeria is now number 5 in Africa. All over the world, as one economist rightly pointed out, all over the world, the largest population in any continent used to be the largest economy in that continent. In America, they talk about United States having the largest economy, having the largest population. You talk about China having the largest population, having the largest economy. When you get to Europe, you talk about Germany having the largest population, having the largest economy. Look at Brazil having the largest population, having the largest economy. But it's only in Africa, in our continent, that we are the largest economy. We are the largest in population. And we used to be the largest economy. But now what do we have? We are number 5 in Africa. What a shame. So, Bayo Onanuga, misfire. That's my take. Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you and yours.